Hello and welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. Today is Monday and it's our Organizing the Craft Room Day, a place for everything. So if you struggle to keep your craft room tidy and organized, then subscribe to my channel and tune in every Monday where I share with you easy tips and ideas of how to keep your craft room tidy by finding a place for everything and have that end that organizing mania. So today is all about organizing our products that we've made. So all this handmade journals and embellishments and ephemera and whatever Happy Mail that we've been making for however long you've been making it. And maybe you have a business, maybe you don't, maybe you make them for yourself, maybe you make them for friends and family. Whatever the case may be, you still need an organized way to store those finished products, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Because if you're like me, I have been struggling with that, and today we're going to end the struggle. I have this designated fabric covered bin, cardboard on the inside, fabric covered on the outside, and I believe my daughter bought this at either Dollar Tree, Big Lots, or Ross. Those are the three places that she'll usually shop for me. It was brand new, so this was not a Goodwill or thrift store find. It was brand new. And so it's really a nice size. Let me tell you the size of it. So the depth of it is 8 inches, so it's 8 inches deep. It's 12.5 inches long, and it is 10 inches wide. Now, so that's a nice size. So the depth, we can put a lot of things. The width, length, everything is just a very, very nice size. So what I'm going to do is catalog all of the handmade journals that I have made and that are listed or will be listed in my Etsy shop. So you can do me a favor by going to my Etsy shop, favoriting my shop. That helps me quite a bit. And share any item of your favorite items to your social media. There's a button on each item. Etsy's already put it there. And all you have to do is click either the Facebook link, the Twitter link, or the Pinterest link, and you can share any of my products. So whatever's your favorite, if you would do that for me, that would be a huge, huge favor. I would just absolutely love that. And then a second favor I'm asking everyone is if you can send me a message on Etsy with whatever the favorite item is that you love and tell me why you love this item. Is there anything that you would like me to do differently with it or personalize it in some way for you and you would like to purchase it, but if I could just personalize it in this way or the other way, and then I can reply back to you and let you know if it's something that I can personalize or do for you. I'm more than happy to do that. If you see something in my shop and you would like it made in a different color, I do custom orders. You can just, on that same listing, send me a message and say, Marsha, could you make this for me in this color or with this theme? I'm more than happy to do that as well. So I do take custom orders. And keep in mind, custom requests, there is an additional fee for all the materials that I would need to buy. And so you would be paying for those supplies that I would need to buy. If I already have them in my stash, then it's just a small custom order fee that is added. So if it's the price that you see product in my shop, that is the price that you can purchase it. But all custom orders are going to be priced accordingly for your custom request. So I'm trying to put these in here according to the height, as you can see. And now this one has the pretty flower on the front of it, so I'm also keeping in mind so I don't, damage anything, again, because these are listed in my Etsy shop. So I want to go through first of all and get out all the journals. So all the journals are in the front here first. These are my tea-dyed envelope journals. Those are not in the shop as yet. Most of these are. These two junk mail envelope journals, those aren't in the shop. And this one was a file folder journal. I think it was, but I took it out, so I need to put it back in. But all the other things here are there in the shop. This is a new item that's going to be coming to the shop either today or this week. And it's a cute little tag book with, journal cards. So the front of it has a cute little pocket or a place for a photo. The back of it has a place for journaling. So it's either a pocket or a place for a photo. And so this is a new item. It's going to be coming to my shop. So this already will come on this little ring here that you just open it up, and you can attach this into your binder or take them off and embellish them further and put them in a journal that you have, or Happy Mail, or wherever you want to do it, pocket that you've made for a journal. So they're just ready-made journal cards, but it's going to come in a set, and there will probably be, I have 4 of them right here now, so it's probably going to be a set of maybe 5 or 6 that will be listed in this set. And then I have some cute little albums, mini albums that are in my shop. These are going to be in the shop. So this one obviously is a fall nature theme. It's really cute. And so it has pockets on both ends, a place here for either you can put a journaling spot or a photo, the waterfall place here again for journaling. You can embellish this further on your own. So this is just the beginning, and you can use it as is, or you can add to it further. And then the same style in an anniversary wedding theme. It's very beautiful. This one is white, and it opens up, so the album is actually attached, so it doesn't slide in, it just opens up. And so this is available. That will be listed in my Etsy shop, so those are all going to be coming soon to the shop. Then I have these cute little fabric drawstring bags that I stamped on here. I love you to Florida and back. So if you would like to purchase any of these, again, send me a message on Etsy. These are going to be listed in the shop. Cute, cute, cute. You can fill these up with any number of goodies, where it be tea, candy, ephemera, whatever you want to send someone. But this cute little thing. So if you are somebody who loves Florida, you live in Florida, and you want to add these as a gift, then just look for these in my Etsy shop. Again, favorite my shop so that you can come over and know when that's going to be listed. Send me a message on any listing and say, Marsha, I like the cute little Florida drawstring bags. Let me know when you're going to list that, and I'll respond back, and then when I do, I'll let you know. Also, an item that's coming to my shop are these cute little fabric journal covers, book covers, binder covers, whatever you want to do. So it's 1.5 inch spine, so you could probably add at least 2 signatures can be in here, or 1 really big signature, whatever you want to do, and then you would just attach it however that you decided to attach it. But isn't that cute? Cute little pink and black daisies and cute little bunnies having a picnic and gardening. So this could be beautiful for any person or a child. So this will be coming to the Etsy shop. So all of this is, look, as you can see, is able to fit in this one container now. And here is a Sunbonnet Sue and a Sunbonnet Sam, and these are going to be available in my Etsy shop. These can be put on a cover. They can be added to a quilt. So I'm also going to be starting to add some of these in there. Again, you can use them for a journal or quilting, whatever you decide you want to do. And some cute little purses that are made out of fabric, and then has vintage trims and just beautiful laces on it. So all of this is handmade by me, hand sewn, and has a nice pocket here. And again, you can use this, you could put a journal in it. Very fancy way to carry your journal. If you had a traveler's notebook that you wanted to put in here, Again, so this is something that will be in my shop, and I'll be adding lots more of these to my shop. Now over in the vintage shop, Pioneer Fundraiser, this cute little headband that is from Colombia, South America, and it has cute little people on the front of it. It's made out of wool, and it's just darling. So this will be in the Pioneer Fundraiser shop, so I'm going to put this in this basket. And then another item that's going to go in the vintage shop is this cute little beaded purse. Isn't that adorable? Cute little coin purse. This is plastic up here, fabric lined on the inside, in perfect condition. That's going to be going in the shop. I don't see any beads that are missing. So if you're interested in that, send me a message in my Pioneer Fundraiser shop. Just pick out a listing that you love. These aren't in the shop yet. And say, Marsha, I saw your Monday organizing your craft room with your Etsy shop items, and I love the headband, or I love the little beaded coin purse, and I want them, and then I'll let you know as soon as they're listed. Okay, next up, new to the shop, and this is just a limited edition. I made these years ago. So there's two cute little mason jar toppers. So you can use these for gift giving, to decorate your own stash. And this one has a ribbon already woven through it. This one you can add your own color ribbon, whatever you'd like to. So these are just going to be two random items that I will be putting in my shop. So you can take a look at that. Again, this will be in the Markets of Sunshine Etsy shop. And then another random crochet item will be this, and it can be used as a beverage cozy, or you can use it for an ice cream container cozy. So you just wrap it around your ice cream, and I actually have a tag with my daughter's ice cream artwork here. She drew those for me. And so it says ice cream cozy on the little tag. So the little tag comes with it. So that's artwork, and you could use that little tag in your journaling if you wanted to. So obviously this is for a grande size mug, and probably, I don't know if it's your pint or quart, whatever size ice cream container, but it stretches a little bit. And it's in a purple and blue acrylic with a silvery metallic thread going through it. So I made all of these myself. I used to have a lot of crochet items in my shop, which I no longer do, but those were what was here. So all of these items came out of here, and a lot of other stuff that I've already cleaned up and put away. And then the all of my tea dyed and food dyed papers and fabrics are in this container. So now this container is going to go over here, and let me show you. I'm going to stop the video so I don't make you dizzy and show you where they're going to go. Okay, so now as you can see, the craft table is tidy. So now we're going to come over here, and this is where I put my embellishment kit club items for August. They will stay here on this shelf and in this basket. And then this basket are the upcoming Etsy items that will go into my Etsy shop. And then this is all full of other embellishments, so I keep that basket there. Now let me show you where I put all the handmade journals. Okay, so remember the organizing unit that we've already went through and organized and labeled everything. So this is all of the wood rubber stamps. I found another container. So I'm going to transfer what's in here up into this one, and that will give me another empty drawer, and then I will just have to change that label. I have another one of the labels that says star on it. So there you go. This is where now all the journals are at, and nice and orderly. And when one of them has sold, then I can come right over here and get to it easily. And last but not least, I wanted to share with you were these cute little Rubbermaid or plastic containers that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree. And then this is how cute they are and easy to embellish them. So just emboss a piece of cardstock, cut it out to put it on the lid, and then take another piece of cardstock and those flat back little glass gems, and you just put those on there, and look at how quick and easy. And so this has some of the jump rings and what do you call those, flathead pens and little odds and ends of things. But anyway, so I can keep it right here on my desk now. So that's the place for all of those little things. And here's my glass jars with the beads in them. So I hope you enjoyed this video today of tidying up the craft room, how quick and easy it was. Now there's a place for everything, and the craft room is looking fantastic. So let's just span around really quickly, go through and show you how nice everything is looking, and everything is in its place, and everything is tidy. I'm really, really happy with it. And the bookcase, I don't know if you've seen my rolling bookcase. So here's the bookcase. Here's the closet. Everything in there has its place. There's my other paper organizer back there. So let's close up the bookcase. Turn it here. Okay, move this rolling cart. Keep it more or less right here. Okay, come back here so you can see the bookcase now. Here's the bookcase. Let's move this bookcase and I'll show you how my husband made this. It's so wonderful. And then I'm going to bring it out this way some more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the top shelf. And you can see all the containers, everything that I have here. Everything has a place. Push it on this side. And you can see how I'm just barely clearing that little spot there. And then over here, there's a little bit more room. And a piece of wax paper has gotten caught under that wheel. So let's see if I can scoot it down and move it. Yes, I moved it with my leg. This thing is extremely heavy, by the way. So, and he put heavy-duty stainless steel wheels on that. Okay, there you have it. Now, so my floor is clean and clear and open, other than a few little odds and ends of papers. Paper scraps on it. And then coming in, so there's all the 31 gift totes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see, do I have one over here? 5, I think. Yep, so 5. I bought a lot of those. And then the one on the hanger on the wall, all of this. And then now got to organize that off. Again, when we were doing, I was showing you some things the other day, but it's just a couple of little odds and ends of things. The cutter goes back down here on this tripod because I was using that tripod. That bag goes on the tripod. And so everything has its place. Here's the tote bag. Did I show you that tote bag? Woo! Almost dropped the phone. Sorry about that. So this is the 31 gift tote bag that I put on the back of the chair. So you can see it's one of those tall chairs. And then this has all my laces and trims in it. So I don't remember if I showed you that from the other day. And then my rolling cart. I love that thing. So that's it. So everything is in its place. Everything is tidy. We are set and ready to go for tomorrow's altered paperclip day. And it's week 11. And then we'll be ready for Wednesday, which is going to be the Altered Book Challenge. We kick that off. And then Thursday is practicing our calligraphy. And we're going to be doing our eco-dyeing on Thursday. So be quick little hand lettering practice. And then we'll jump right into the eco-friendly dyeing. So my schedule, the little clip that you normally see, so that will change as soon as I finish the Altered Paperclips Challenge, and then the Altered Book Challenge will replace the Bohemian Dream Challenge. So thank you for being here with me today. Keep creating in the sunshine, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and see what else you can learn here from me. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye-bye.